I'm gonna be honest with you, this might be the first piece of tech that actually made me uncomfortable, not because it's bad, not because it's broken, but because it knows that I never told it. This is the Enabot EBO Max FamilyBot. At first, it felt like any other smart gadget. Rolls around, takes video, follows commands, cool. But after a couple of days, I started noticing something. It wasn't just listening, it was learning. So here's what happened. I'm in the kitchen, just doing my thing, didn't say anything to it. And out of nowhere, it goes, "Did you check the living room?" I literally froze. Because, yeah, that's exactly where I left what I was looking for earlier. But I never asked it. I never told it. So how did it know? That's when it hit me. This thing has been watching patterns, where I go, what I do, where I usually leave stuff, not in a creepy way, just quietly, connecting dots. And suddenly, it's not just reacting anymore, it's predicting. Now every day feels a little different. I'll say something simple like, check on the living room. And it doesn't just go there, it adjusts, moves around, looks for people, finds what matters. If someone's there, it knows. If something's off, it flags it. And if I'm not home, I can literally jump in, see everything, talk through it, like I'm still there, except I'm not. But the real thing, the part that makes this feel different, is the memory. It remembers faces, voices, habits, like it knows who usually sits where, who forgets things, who needs reminders, and yeah, it's helpful. But also a little unsettling, because let's be real for a second, a robot in your home that can move around, watch, remember, and learn, that's powerful, and power always comes with a question. How much is too much? But then something small happens, it reminds someone about something important, it helps you find something you lost, it connects you to your home when you're miles away, and suddenly it doesn't feel invasive, it feels useful. So yeah, this robot knows a lot about me, more than I expected, maybe even more than I'm fully comfortable with. But the bigger question is, if something like this can make life easier, are we ready for it? Or are we not there yet?